Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to achieve the ultimate sweat-proof Blonzer look. The perfect blend of bronzer and blush for a sun-kissed summer glow that actually lasts through heat, sweat, and long days out. If you enjoyed this radiant routine, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a sun in the comments if you're vibing with the Blonzer trend this summer. Let's begin. Step 1. Prepping for sweat-proof glow. We're starting with skin prep, and for that, I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide. It grips onto makeup while also blurring pores and controlling oil, perfect for sweat-prone skin. Step 2. Lightweight, long-lasting base. Once that's settled, I go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Whether you choose the powder or liquid formula depends on your preference, but both are long-wearing, breathable, and sweat-proof. If needed, I spot conceal with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which is lightweight and blends beautifully without creasing. Step 3. Blonzer Magic Blush Plus Bronzer Hybrid. Now comes the star of the look, the Blonzer moment. I'm using Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer in Amber to warm up my cheeks, temples, and nose, giving that naturally flushed, sun-kissed effect. If you're on a budget, try e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush in Caribbean, which doubles as a radiant blush bronzer hybrid and blends like a dream. Step 4. Lock it in. I set only my T-zone with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. It mattifies without dulling the glow. Step 5. Glow but no sweat shine. For that gorgeous, glistening finish, I tap on Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer in Mesmerize on the high points of my face, cheekbones, brow bone, and a hint on the nose for that lit from within glow. Step 6. Sweat-proof brows and eyes. Next, we lock in the brows and eyes using Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter for feathery, sweat-proof brows, Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Liner for budge-proof definition, and L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof Mascara to keep lashes lifted all day. No raccoon eyes here. Step 7. Lips with summer tint. For the lips, I love using Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint in Cherry Red. These tints give your lips that popsicle stained effect and won't budge in the heat. Step 8. Set it and sweat no more. Finally, to make sure everything stays in place, I spritz on the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, which truly locks the look in for hours, even through humidity or outdoor heat.